Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the glasses and your phone. You need a stable network and the Meta app signed in. Once paired, grant microphone and camera access so live audio can be captured and translated. Select your source and target languages and pick an input voice. This sets pronunciation models. Run the quick mic calibration so the glasses learn your vocal level. This reduces noise and improves accuracy. Now you're ready to initiate a translation session and capture your first spoken phrases. You begin the live translation session by tapping Live Translate and confirming conversation mode. Both participants' languages must be set. Position the glasses toward the active speaker and keep about 1 to 2 meters distance so the mic picks up clear audio. Speak a bit slower and enunciate. The model works better with distinct words. Use the touchpad to pause or repeat lines, adjust playback volume, and switch manual speaker control if automatic speaker detection misses someone. This keeps You wrap up by ending the session and saving the transcript or clipping important phrases for later review. Exporting keeps a searchable record. Once done, charge the glasses if you plan further use and gently clean lenses and the mic port to prevent audio issues. If you experience lag or misrecognition, first restart the Meta app and toggle Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Make sure microphone and location permissions remain enabled. If problems persist, reboot the glasses. This simple reset clears most temporary errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.